Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your sugar scrub for your skin. So if you have like rashes on your legs, or what is it called, strawberry legs or chicken skin, it really works. This method I'm going to show you guys, it really works. So that is what I'm using for my skin, so you can try it as well and see if it's okay for you. So please before we get into this video, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe and turn your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so all you need is just some 3 ingredients. You can find it in your kitchen or any store nearby. Okay guys, these are the ingredients you need for your scrub. Honey. So you just put maybe 2 or 3 spoons of brown sugar, and you cut your lemon just like this. You can remove the seed, then put your lemon like this. Maybe half lemon is okay. Mix. Yeah, and you just need 1 spoon of honey. Just 1 spoon, not too much. Depend. You just need the one maybe for 1 week, the one you use for 1 week, or just 3 days, something like that. Okay, this is it. It's not too much, just for 2 times or 3 times a week. Once you finish, you go to the bathroom, you rinse your body with some warm water, and you add your scrub, just a little bit, not too much, something like this. Don't do it hard, not too hard, just a little bit. Then you scrub for like 5 or 2 minutes. Then you rinse with cold water, not warm water, guys, with cold water. Then after, you use your oil or what you use to moisturize your skin. For me, I use coconut oil, so you can use that as well. So that will be the end of this video. Check out some of my other video in the end screen if you want to see more of my video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.